naman ang tambalan sa RHTV. At syempre, para sa araw nito, Christopher, alam mo siya, nakausap ko to ng medyo matagal-tagal, last year yata. Ewan ko, parang nakwento ko pa nga on air, how wonderful she is. Ewan ko kung natatandaan mo, parang the day after nung taping namin na yun, kwento ko sa ere, how wonderful she is. Na parang kung gaano katindasious yung kanyang karakter na pinapakita, ganun din kabusilak yung heart.
Naku, parang
diba?
gustong-gusto ko nang makilala ang ating bisita ngayon kung gaano nga ba ka-wonderful yung binabanggit ni Nicole tungkol sa ating bisita ngayon.
Correct. Siyempre, kaya ko naman sinasabi yan, Christopher, kasi magpapasko na. Kailangan
Pagpaparinig pala ito.
Oo, kailangan magpakabait sa mga tao sa paligid kapag magpapasko na. Pero anyway, ang ating napaka-espesyal na bisita para sa araw na ito, walang iba kundi si Mystica.
Hello po. Thank you so much for
Hello.
inviting me here.
Of
At saka
course.
thank you kay Attorney Ton para siya ay nag-invite sa akin.
Correct. Alam mo yun si attorney.
I can't believe it's a surprise. Kayo pala ang nandito. Wala akong kaano.
Actually,
wala akong kaalam.
kung naalala mo lang din, partner, tsaka si Mystica, di ba, long time ago din, parang 2003, 2004.
Nung nagsa-start pa lang tayo sa radio.
First time tayo nagkaroon ng TV show din, sa Channel 9 naman yun.
Oh,
Nag-guest
yeah.
din siya.
Oh,
Naalala
diba?
ko lang bigla.
Split pa ako noon.
Oh, correct!
Tama.
Nagsisplit-split pa siya ng bonggang-bongga nung
Biglang
panahon na yan.
nag-flashback no?
Ngayon ba, hindi na nagsisplit si Mystica?
Sa private na lang.
And speaking of
Maganda yan,
private, Kabisyo Christopher, kasama ni Mystica ang kanyang Lobby Doodles of Her Life na serious type yan.
Kailangan
Huwag mong
panindigan yung
aawayin
character
yan,
ngayon.
Christopher.
Baka. Pag inawa ko pa, kalmutin ako ng Mystica eh.
Wala na akong kuko.
Oo, umiksi
medyo
na
safe
nga,
na.
in
Oo.
fairness.
Nag-iba na kasi Mystica ngayon.
Oo, iba na eh. Sige, kasama ni Mystica of course ang kanyang Lobby Doodles na si Troy. Pero
Hi,
mamaya
Troy.
natin usisahin yung kanilang love life. Gusto ko mag-start sa bakit iba na yung Mystica noong 2003 na nakilala namin ni Chris na nagsisplit sa ngayon. Ayan.
Well, kasi po, nung bumalik ako dito sa Pilipinas, iba na kasi yung layunin ko. Hindi na talaga yung manggulo sa showbiz.
Yan.
Pero
Hindi
hindi
ka
na
naman
parang
manggulo sa
nagugulo pa rin.
showbiz.
Ano? Pero sabi ko, hindi pa rin maiwasan yung magsuot ako ng wig, ng hair. Kasi Mystica pa rin ako.
Correct, character mo yan
Yes, and I owe that to my audience, o kaya
Yes.
mga fans ko. Diba?
Tsaka ayaw namin ng Mystica na hindi
Yeah.
colored ang hair at hindi
Tama.
ma-arty-arty.
Tama.
Doon ka kasi nakilala.
Opo. Pero yung sabi ko kasi na iba na. So, nagpatayo po ako ng Mystica Charity Foundation.
Diba?
And then, naging managing director na rin po ako ng isang international na company which is Better Globe.
Oh, di ba?
So,
Spell
I'm representing... Tama.
Managing. Mamaya na
So,
lang.
I'm representing Philippines at saka Asia. So,
Oh,
ganun.
di ba? Not just the Philippines but also Asia.
Opo. So, ngayon, hindi naman pwede nakikipag-away ulit ako sa showbiz. Nag-split lagi.
Oo,
Sa
wala
private
na
na
ganun.
lang.
Oo,
Private show.
Gusto ko yan.
Kayo naman, iba na sa utak nyo. Private event.
Ayan,
na talagang,
pag may private functions.
Yan, private function. Iba na sa utak nyo kayong sinabi yung private.
Excited
Kaya
doon
talaga, hindi. Pag yung talaga special request, di ba, yung mga ganun, hindi pa rin nawawala yun.
Oo,
Pero
syempre
in
nandun pa
public,
rin.
iba na yun. Kasi iba na yung pinoportray kong image.
Ang tanong, what pushed you na mag portray ng bagong image? Ano yung parang nag-cause ng parang biglang pagbabago?
Kasi po, di ba, I'm already 44.
Hindi halata ayon.
Hindi halata.
Fairness.
Pinoportray ko ngayon ni 23 kasi 22 siya.
Parang...
At ikaw na talaga nagsabi. That's time is two of his age, 22
Oo,
and 44.
Wow, galing mag-add.
Mamaya natin pag-usapan yun.
Oo
Ito
nga
mo sa inyong dalawa.
Pero mo, 22 to 44. Half my age,
Oo.
di ba? So, I mean, siguro yung 5 years na na showbiz life ko dito, tama na yon yung ganong image. So pagbalik ko dito, sabi ko, kung may mga roles naman na ibibigay sa akin pero medyo medyo level na ng
Yan.
edad ko.
Oo, mas
para hindi
mature
naman
na.
nakakahiya sa mga apo ko, biro dalawa yung apo ko, di ba? Para at least kahit papano, bigyan naman nila ako ng respeto dahil may iba na kasi yung karespeto, di ba?
Correct. Tama naman.
So,
Pero,
kahit naman,
Oo
respeto
naman.
ka pa rin. Kumbaga,
Oo.
naiintindihan naman ng tao na karakter mo
Ha?
lang
Ganun
talaga
ba?
yun.
Oy,
Oo
totoo
naman.
kaya? Tayo
Sabi
mga...
nila-respeto niyo pa rin ako kaya
Oo
nag-space
Oo naman, no? Tayo mga artists nagkakaintindihan. Tayong mga artists.
Tayo lang, pero yung iba, diba? Hindi nila
Iba yung
naintindihan
iniisip
yun.
nila.
Yes.
Correct.
Every time mag-split kami, ibig sabihin
Tama
yun.
po.
Ah.
Kaya mahirap na, diba? Kaya kailangan ibahin na rin natin yung ating pananaw sa buhay.
And it's a good thing. It's a positive change, di
Yes
ba?
po. Mm-mm.
Ay, bongga.
Nabanggit ni Mystica yung foundation. Ano yung foundation? Ano yung ginagawa nyo dito?
Kasi yung
Ito ba yung
foundation
foundation ng mga kalalakihan ba ito?
Correct, o foundation
Foundation ng
po.
mga
Kasi
bata? Ano?
kung
Mga bata,
kalalakihan-
mga matatanda, mga persons with disabilities, mga dun po. At saka environmental.
Yan yung mga tinutulungan
Yes.
mo.
Opo.
Okay.
So, hindi ko lahat masabi dito. So, kung puntahan nila ang mysticacharityfoundation.org para makita po nila.
mysticacharityfoundation.org.
Yun po.
Ayun.
Makita
Try
nila
nyo pong
kung ano
i-visit yun mga
details.
kaibigan.
Para malaman natin
Kung
yung
anong mga
karagdagang
ginagawa ko.
detalye.
Yung sa
Ayan.
environmental, isa naman, ano yung...
Okay, since ako rin po ang managing director ka nga, so kailangan din po na yung advocacy ko about environment, magtanim ng puno. We have to plant trees.
Better Globe is all about putting the green back in our environment while helping lives get better.
I would like to also explain a little bit what Better Globe Group is doing. There are several companies. Some is in Norway, and some will be in Kenya, Uganda, in Tanzania, Sudan, and Ethiopia, which are the 5 countries in East Africa which we are going to work on in the years to come. We have huge goals, and we're going to break world records.
Na tutafanya kazi na wao tupande hiyo 5 billion trees and even more, because that is a way to improve even the weather condition.
Uplifting lives in the African continent through job generation, education, and overall countryside transformation. And all is because of one product, trees. Philippine personality and lifestyle philanthropist Mystica, with the blessing of Better Globe CEO Rena Solberg, has taken up the company's vision and cause and aptly named the movement Better Globe, Better Philippines. The Philippines figured itself in international news in what are known to be nature's worst disasters and humanity's greatest tragedies. The Ormoc flash flood of 1991, Ginsagon landslide of 2006, and Typhoon Ondoy flooding of 2009. All this had strong ecological roots. The Philippines not only needs to get itself out of the red and fight economic poverty, but into the green movement. The Better Globe, Better Philippines program is unique because it doesn't ask you to give away your money. It asks you to support, to plant trees and make a difference. By literally growing your money on trees, backed by both a solid financial model and solid forestry experts, you become a stakeholder, not just of the Philippines and Kenyan environment, but the many millions of lives that you can exponentially help in the next 15 years and beyond. But that is not all. Other specific beneficiaries for every 1,000 pesos donations goes to the Social Civic Anchor Club in the Philippines and even persons with disabilities. 2 countries, 1 goal. Reforestation for the most part has become an abstract motherhood and often unreal statement. This time the results can be quantifiable and the outcome can be planet-saving, life-changing, and so we start 1 country at a time for the next 15 years. It's going to be Kenya and the Philippines. It sounds ambitious, but as Better Globe's history dictates, it can be done. Better Globe, Better Philippines has 1 product, trees, and 1 goal, better lives. Be part now of the Green Revolution.
Katuwa ka naman, Mystica, no? Sino mag-aakala na dating parang iniisip lang talaga ng ordinaryong tao, ang
Na
alam mo lang
parang,
mag-split na mag-split.
Correct. May magkakaroon pala ng mas malalim na adhikain. At
Correct.
ngayon may mas malalim na pag-ibig.
Oh.
Wow!
Kaya nga po sinasabi ko, nagbago ng mystic or whatever, iniiwasan ko na yung controversy. Kaya lang, when it comes to pag-ibig naman, I thought na kailangan ipaglaban ko din. Kasi naging issue rin kasi ito sa boss ko.
Mystica, you know I like you. We got you as a director here in the Philippines because You had a certain status, you were well known, but now I'm seeing on YouTube, there's pictures of you and this guy. Who is he? Where did you get him? Like out of the street and you're making a movie? This is not what you've been hired for. I need you to be focusing on Better Globe. This needs to stop.
Well, as you know already, I'm still in the show business, okay? I managed to do my work being the managing director here in the Philippines and Asia. I've done a great job, especially in marketing and everything like that. I mean, as far as I'm concerned, I'm still very fresh in the showbiz industry here in the Philippines, and I'm still well known for the mystica, not the businesswoman. So I wanted to go back to show business, doing all this stuff. You know, that's the reason why we had the pageants and everything. And I thought you were okay with that. And all of a sudden, you tried to stop me also, you know, because you said that you didn't want to associate Better Globe with my pageant. Look, Miss Philippines or Miss World or Miss Universe, what is their advocacy? It's all about humanitarian. It's all about helping the poor, helping the kids and stuff. So this is just like any other advocacy. Just let me continue my job because this is still a part of me. Even though if you say no, because this is my movie, this is my life story.